More fighting, more death, excitement.
This episode of Boing Boing TV is brought to you by Verizon.
Welcome to Boing Boing TV. I'm Xeni Jardin, and sometimes robots are our friends. They can help people, they can clean our floors, but robots aren't necessarily each other's friends, and we're here today at an edition of Robo Games and Combats. Robots are only here for one purpose, that's to destroy each other.
She just lost a tire and she's still going strong. She'll ram her robot into vicious verdict until she cannot move anymore. They never tap out. She tapped out! I can't believe it! She tapped out! Wow.
That is the smell of burnt metal and broken dreams.
What is Robo Games?
Robo Games is all about engineering. It's fun. I mean, it's all of the fun of the explosions of NASCAR or a good boxing match or wrestling or even hockey, but humans never get hurt. Here we have the crashes, the fire, the explosions, the death. But it's the death of a robot. People don't give a lot of credit to how much engineering goes on in the design and implementation of these robots.
And your engineering skills produce this. We're looking at your robot.
Most robots are team robots, where there's not a person who does it, but it's just like manufacturing a car, you know, there's 10 different people. Sadly, we're 0 for 3 for the event.
But either way, it looks like everybody here is having a good time. So you've disassembled this. It looks like you're going to be doing a little bit of tinkering.
It's all modular design, so you can actually see right over here, we have a complete second set of armor. So when a big bad bully robot beats us up, I can just pop off a piece and pop it back on here. To get it back combat ready, it's really only about 10 minutes. We put in the 3 batteries in the battery compartment, recharge the pneumatic cylinder, and then screw in the plates. And you can obviously see, even if you're the winner, you can still sustain a lot of damage.
Does your robot have a name?
It's Vlad the Impaler 2.
What's the name of your robot?
SJ.
And how did SJ do today?
Terrible, but survived. I won both my fights yesterday and lost both my fights today. The nastiest spinner in the RFL and the best wedge in the RFL. Basically, it sheared the wedge off of my bot, and I kind of had to call it quits there.
Okay, so what's up next at Robo Games here?
More fighting, more death, excitement.
I'm Michael Bay, and I demand things to be awesome. Awesome, pussycat.
Awesome barbecue. Awesome pull.
That's why I'm getting Verizon Files. With the awesomest upload and download speeds. Yes, sir. Blows cable away.
This is Fios. This is big.
Welcome to Boing Boing TV. I'm Xeni Jardin, and I'm here with Stephen Morgray, and there's battleships fighting behind us. What's this organization, Stephen?
This organization is a group of modelers, and we've taken 1 to 1/44th scale warships from World War I and World War II, and we put them out on a pond, arm them, and go and battle them.
So the reason that we're both wearing goofy glasses is because there's actual, like, tiny little artillery pellets being hurled around.
Yes, we're shooting anything from BBs to quarter-inch ball bearings.
Okay, so right now we're about maybe 10 or 15 minutes into a combat round. Talk to me about what's happening right now, and how do you determine the winner?
We have points according to where they hit. We have the red, which is down deep underneath the waterline. We have the boot, which is black, and the gray, which is above the waterline. And depending on where you hit it is how many points there are, and then you get extra points for sinks. We do have something called the last man standing, and we'll be doing that on Sunday evening. But we're running this Axis versus Allies. And then at the end, we'll pull the boats out, we'll set them up on tables, and we'll literally count the holes in all the boats.
No way. How do you sum up why this is worth counting bullet holes for?
Well, I mean, the bullet holes are just kind of, you know, who won and who lost, but generally it's out here just to have an absolute blast.
So I'm sitting here with Ben, and Ben, what's the name of your craft?
The name of the ship is HMS Warspite. It's a World War I dreadnought. We went around in circles, and I think the Allies definitely defeated the Axis.
Why do you like destroying things?
We're a group in San Jose of frequently normal individuals.
But not always normal.
But not always. I don't think we ever got over blowing things up with firecrackers as kids, and now that we're sometimes, job-holding individuals, it gives us the ability to kind of indulge in our childhood hobbies.
For some people looking at this, they might say, come on, you guys are silly. You just look like a bunch of grown-up kids. What would you say to those people?
Yes, we are grown-up kids.
My name is Rob Wood. There's a part of us that has never grown up. And actually, we cherish that part. It's not the childish part, it's the childlike part.
Now, if people out there want to find out more about these kinds of battles, what can they do here?
They go to www.westernwarshipcombat.com. You'll find out everything you ever wanted to know about what we do. And we're always looking for new recruits, victims, you might say. And we'll teach you how to do it, and we'll teach you how to build a ship, and we'll help you in any way we can so we can get you out here and sink you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And it sounds like we've got another ship going down over here.
They're taking on fire.
Yes.